guys, this is Matt with Comics Gaming, and welcome to another SourceMod tutorial. I know that I didn't upload a tutorial last week or the other one, but that's because I was sick, so I'm sorry about that. So this week we're gonna learn how to make an HUD, a custom HUD. Sort of like the ones you see in some servers that run roleplay mods or some sort of custom mod they have, and they usually have some sort of HUD. We're gonna learn how to do that with some other stuff. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see while we make the tutorial or the plugin. Okay, so we wanna say we wanna say yeah, on client put in server. One at the client, I forgot the public. We wanna open this, close. What we wanna say here is, okay, I want you to display an HUD to the client, but what happens if we just type that once? It's only gonna show once, and then it's gonna disappear, and it's never gonna show us again what we want. So what we have to do is create a timer, loop it. Basically, we have to make a loop that has that information in it. So we're gonna create a timer that loops every 0.5 seconds, which is enough, and we're gonna make that timer repeat for this client in particular. So wanna create timer. Float is gonna the interval 0.5, like that. Whoa. The timer name is gonna be HUD, I guess. Yeah, that's cool. We're gonna pass a timer, and we're gonna do timer repeat. I don't know if you remember from the timer tutorial, but it takes 4 arguments. The first one is gonna be the interval, the second is gonna be the callback function, and the third one is going to be some information to pass to the callback, and the fourth is a flag. And now we're going to use the timer repeat flag, since we want the timer to repeat every time it finishes cycling. So public action HUD, this takes handle colon timer comma any client. Now if you don't understand any of this stuff that we do in a callback, then you can go here in the include files. As you can see, you have a ton of files. You have a bunch of files. I don't know if there's one dedicated for timers. So here you can have, we're gonna look for create timer, and it says, you can find it here. It says float interval timer function, and any data flags 0. This is the command. Now the callback should be up here. Where's the callback? Here's the callback. See, call when a timer interval has elapsed. So public, the name, handle, timer, any data, and these are other callbacks, so you can also check it out if you want to. I'm not gonna cover them since we don't use them. Okay, so first of all, we wanna check for 2 things. We wanna check if the client is in game, and if it's the client connected. Because if he's not, or she, then it's gonna throw us an error. So is client connected? Whoops, connected. Thank you, client. And is client in game? Client. Then we want to show the HUD. How? Very simple. Set HUD text parameters. Whoa, you're saying, whoa, what the heck? It has a lot of flags. Yes, the X is gonna be the X position, and the 1 is gonna be the Y position. So the coordinates. This goes from 0 to 1, and minus 0.1 is for the center of your screen. or any screen that runs the game. So if we want to display in the middle, we just type -1.0, but we don't. We want to make it to where it's located more to the left. So O is gonna be equaling all the way to the left. So O point O 43. This is gonna be a bit to the right, all the way to the left, but a bit to the right as well. Then we want the right, the coordinates. So we want it to be in the middle. So yeah, -1.0. This is the hold time, number of seconds to hold the text. Since we're looping this, we don't care about this. We're gonna make it 0.5. Red color value, wanna make it blue. RGBA, red, green, blue, and alpha. The alpha is gonna be, if it's 0, it's gonna be transparent. If it's 255, it's gonna be shown all the way. And the effect. Oops, I got an extra comma here. It's gonna fail. Well, it left. Text parameters. It's not opening dialog. Why aren't you showing the... Hate me. Let me see if I remove this. Nope. Nope. It broke. Great. Okay. So we had the alpha. The effect, we're gonna use 0, because yeah, we don't care about number 2. So it's gonna be 0. The effects time, it's gonna be I don't know, 1.0. No, I mean 6.0. We wanna leave this as default here, as you can see. Then the fade in is gonna be 0.1, and the fade out is gonna be 0.2. So we have 3 more parameters to go. The effect, as I said, it's going to be 0. The time to hold effect is going to be 6.0. 0.1 is the fade in, and 0.2 is the fade out. Now that we got this done, we're going to show HUD text. I want to send the client here. Whoops, client, comma. I think, no, wait a minute. Yeah, client, comma, channel, -1, comma. The channel is gonna be the channel chosen in the Half-Life 2 channel things. The channel is like 2 messages cannot be sent through the same channel. So if you choose -1, SourceMod is gonna say, okay, which is the next one that we can use, and it's gonna select that one. It's gonna send your message. The message that we're gonna send is, this is an HUD. I don't know why I wrote that in caps, but yeah, and nothing else. So yeah, very simple. We can make this even funner, you know. We can use different types of things with this. Like, I don't know, if the client had something to save, for example, we're not gonna use a menu here or nothing at all. Static save for 32 clients. Public action, follow with me. Public action command and assign client args. You should understand what this means, since I already explained all this stuff for commands and all that stuff. So yeah. Crap. get CMD args 1 comma arg 1 comma 5. So notice that I'm not using the size of here since I want to make this fast. We're doing 5. Very simple. So new arg1 int equals string to int arg1, and here we want to say save client equals arg1 int. What I'm saying here is a command that's gonna save what we write into this variable, and then we want to display here your saved num equals %d. %d is integer. Remember that, because we're gonna use it a lot, believe it or not. So client, so this should work. Let's see if we compile this. It should work. Yep, no errors or anything like that. So I'm gonna pause this and I'm gonna go in game and I'm gonna show you. Okay guys, I'm in game and I'm in the server already. So here you can see that we have the HUD is showing. So we're gonna do oh, I'm stupid. Wait a minute. This is never gonna work because we yeah, I'm on the forums. I want to talk about that in a second. Public unplug and start. Brag console cmd sm set the callback. Forgot the callback. We need to say this so that it works. Like, we never assigned anything to that callback. So let me compile it again. Scripting, and we're good to go. VRB. Okay, service changing level, and we're in. So it says co-op mod because I'm testing the co-op mod here. So it's set, right? Set 5. So it says your saved number equals 5. Since I did set it to 5, so set 10, it equals 10. Set 9 equals 9. So that's an HUD. That's how you use the function. So BRB for a second. Okay guys, I'm here in the forums. What I want to talk about is the section here. The section I made on the Comics forums, comicsservice.com/.com.ar/forums is here. This section called Comics Gaming. Here you're gonna find all the source code and tips, and then you can post any questions, recommendations, and suggestions. This is better. Why? Because I check this every day. I don't check the channel every day, so you're gonna get a faster response here rather than on the channel if you post a comment. This one is like 3 or 4 forums down, like, yeah, some forums down. It's like the like the 4th, 5th, or 6th, I don't know, haven't counted them. But yeah, you can go here and you can, you know, register on the forums, and you can type new topic. Here you type the name of the question you have, and here you can expand it a bit, and you can tell me what you want. So yeah, so yeah guys, that's all. That's basically all you need to know for HUDs and all that stuff. So yeah, next tutorial, I don't know what it's gonna be like. I don't know what I'm gonna cover. Maybe I'll make a plugin with all the stuff that we know right now, or maybe introduce something else. I don't know. So I'll see you in the next one. As always, this was Matt with Comics Gaming. Bye bye.